So the new X5 also has a feature called backup assistant, and it'll remember that I just backed into this spot here, and it'll remember actually the path I took to get there. So if I put the car in drive, start driving off, right now in my camera views, I'm gonna go off a little bit of a distance. It remembers about up to 180 feet. So now I'm gonna stop here. I'll put the car in reverse and I'll press backup assistance. And now I'll take my foot off the brake and my hands off the steering wheel, and the car will take over and back me off back into that spot where I just came from. Now, you do need to manually have your foot on the brake when it goes too fast. The system will not brake for you. Also, always keep an eye on the camera to make sure you're going in the right place. But as you can see here, it took me right back to where I was parked. I didn't have to do anything but tap my foot on the brake when I needed to.